like a guy you could.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Boxycharm box for the month of June 2018. For those of you that want to see what's inside the box, then keep on watching. So for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box where you pay $21 a month to get about 4 to 5 full-size items. Majority of the time the retail value of the item is more than what you pay for, so I say that's pretty worth it. The theme of this month's box is Caribbean Queen, and we have a lot of items in store for us, so stay tuned and I'll open her up. Alright, so the item that's first up and I'm most excited about is Alamar Cosmetics. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name, but I'm going to open her up so you guys can take a look at the beautiful colors inside. Move that little plastic. Oh, so gorgeous. Alright, and I'm going to be doing a look with this palette, so stay tuned till the end. Next up, from Baddington Lashes, we have a lovely pair of eyelashes. A little more on the natural side, I would say, but I'm definitely going to have to cut them down. We have a skincare item from Sol de Janeiro. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's supposed to tighten and firm any part of your skin. Generally, it's used for the body. I've heard some people use it for the face, but hey yo, who's to stop them? One of my personal favorites, Luxie brushes. We get a 3-piece set. I'm not quite sure what kind of brushes they are exactly, but from my previous experience, Luxie brushes has never let me down. From Galactic Beauty, we have a matte lip paint in the color Playful. I'm really hoping the color is a little bit lighter than the color of the tube. We will swatch this and wear this along with what we will be wearing with the palette, so stay tuned. The last item we have is a waterproof eyeliner from Jante Bleu. Pretty standard eyeliner. Gonna try this out later with the look. Alright, and this concludes all the items in my Boxycharm box for the month of June 2018. Next up, I'm going to be swatching and trying these items on. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to swatch each and every one of the colors in this palette. I'm going to take a picture and show you guys a swatch along with the swatch name.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Alright, so there we have all of our colors swatched. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes and work with the colors.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
So I'm not wearing any foundation today because I want to focus on the products in the box and not on any products that I don't have to worry about. So now that my eyes are primed, I'm going to go ahead and go into my transition color. So going into the color Cocoa Taxi, I'm just going to use that as a transition shade from my outer corner up to my crease. Alright, so now that we have Cocoa Taxi in our outer corner and in our crease as transition, I'm going to go ahead and go to Tropico, and I'm just going to go below what I have Cocoa Taxi as and just go ahead and darken the crease.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way
Alright, and now that I've darkened with Tropicana, I'm going to go into the color Veradero, and I'm just going to work that from the outer to halfway up.
oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. You got me singing way oh.
Alrighty, so now that I have Veradera, or did I say that? Veradero on the outer and halfway into my lid, I'm gonna go in with La Costa and I'm gonna work that in the second half of my lid.
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Alright, now that I have that color on the inside, La Costa on my innard, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with Celia, and I'm just going to pop that slightly where the two meet. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of Cocoa Taxi. I'm just going to clean up that crease with the transition shade. Alright, so now that the eyeshadows are all on, I'm just going to go in with my Jaunty Blue eyeliner. I'm just going to tightline, and I'll be right back. Alright, and there we have the eyes. The Jaunty Blue eyeliner was a little bit harsh, a little harder than I would have liked it to be. It is more of a charcoal gray color compared to a black color. I don't know if you guys can see it. But anywho, onto the lips. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the Girl Acted lip paint.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right.
Alright, and now I'll go over each item and the amount that it costs. The Alamar Reina del Caribe palette cost $28. The Baddington lashes, which I am not wearing, cost $28. The Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream was $10. The Luxie brush set was $42. The Jaunty Blue eyeliner retailed at $5. And the Galactic lip paint at $23. Retailing my box at $136. Again, for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it's only $21 a month, and you're actually getting a really good deal. Alright, and here we have the finished look. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you like my look, comment down below. I would like to hear your opinion, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my future video.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing